Breaking news coming live. A new virus called coronavirus has been found in Wuhan, China. The source of the virus is believed to be a wet market in Wuhan which sold both dead and live animals including fish and birds. Sources also tells us that initial symptoms include fever, dry cough, tiredness and the general feeling of being unwell. Doctors are making their best effort to find a cure for this disease. Keep watching News Live. More on this news will be updated shortly. Dad, I'm going out now. Hey, did you see the news yesterday about the virus? Don't worry, Dad. It doesn't affect me. Anyway, bye. Welcome back to News Live. More on the coronavirus updates. The World Health Organization declared coronavirus a pandemic, pointing to the over 100,000 cases of the coronavirus illness in over 110 countries and territories around the world and the sustained risk of further global spread. How does the coronavirus disease spread? The new coronavirus is a respiratory virus which spreads primarily through droplets generated when an infected person coughs or sneezes or through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose. To protect yourself, clean your hands frequently with an alcohol based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. The citizens are advised not to form a big group and travel to highly crowded places. As a precautionary measure, government has enforced a lockdown for 30 days until conditions improve. More on this update after a short commercial break. Stay with us. You are watching News Live. Yeah, even my friend says that. I don't believe it's going to affect me and I can't stay indoors for 1 month. Why do you think like that? Many people have got the virus and it is your responsibility to stay indoors. Dad, I am young. I have great immunity. Why should I worry? It is not only about you. If you go out and become a carrier, you can infect the whole family. So it is very easy for us to get affected even if we are at home. No, nothing like that will happen. Anyway, I'm feeling sleepy. I'm going to sleep. Good night, Dad. news coming in from Chennai. There has been reports of first death due to coronavirus. The patient is a 60-year-old man who has symptoms of dry cough, fever and breathing problem. The patient had been kept in the ventilator for the last 2 days. More on this update, let's get in touch with Sabari, reporting live from the hospital. Yes, Dad, tell me.
Hello? Where are you? When will you come home?
I'm out, Dad. I told you I'll be coming late. What happened? Anything urgent?
Yes. I'm not feeling well. I need to go to the hospital right now. Can you come home soon?
Okay. Take rest. I'll come as soon as possible.
Yes, come in.
Doctor, is my dad okay?
Yes, nothing to worry. When he was brought to a hospital, he had respiratory infection, so we took test for COVID-19. Unfortunately, the result was positive. He is under the treatment in ventilator.
Can I see him now?
No, I'm so sorry. Not now. He is kept in isolation and you will be allowed to see him only when he is recovered completely.
But doctor, how did my dad get this infection? He was in home all these days.
This is where you got wrong with the cause of infection. Your dad stayed back at home, I agree. But it may be because someone got the virus to him. Since you stay along with him, I would like to do some tests on you to confirm whether you are infected or not. Please proceed to the lab. They will assist you.
Okay. Coronavirus is a very infectious disease. The government is taking extreme steps to stop the spread of the virus. Please stay indoors. to stop the spread. Be a responsible citizen. By staying in your home, you save yourself, your family, your city, your country, and the whole world. Stay safe. We will win this together.